Alright, here we are on Friday. Had a fairly busy morning, but starting to pick up here, so hopefully capture some good stuff. We got 9 hemlock going on in this trailer right now. Looks like they're ready. Had a ton of rain yesterday, but the yard seems to be holding up all right. It's about 10:30, I think. Six on the trailer, 3 on the truck. Stuff in there.
Okay, Alex, are you going to keep loading? Depends what this guy gets. His pocket's not good for reloading those short boxes. He's looking for half topsoil. Yeah. 10-4.
I think I'm gonna use the single bucket so I can try to avoid their weeds. Normally I would just probably use another 3-yarder there, but I don't want to dump all that mulch on top of their garbage. Boop. Sometimes you just use the tires. Something got it ready just in time. Good. Don't hit her. This pile's getting home. Rain? Is this gonna get sunny? I don't know. It's kind of teasing us today.
going to be 7 hemlock.
Whew.
7 hemlock.
Alright, I'm gonna use
All
this.
in the trailer. Please
I'm gonna use the single bucket first, and then I'm gonna use the 3-yarder. If he pulls beside him, that'd be perfect. But... I can wave him through. Perfect. He looks like he's coming. Yeah, they were pretty quick for having all that stuff in there. All right, not bad. Some days I'm like, man, I'd love to just go on that job and just go do some mulching. Then you do it for a day and you realize how hard it actually is. And then you're kind of thankful that you don't have to do it all the time. I respect these landscapers a ton for what they do every day. Hopefully this guy doesn't get confused that I just did one and then bailed. I promise I'm not leaving ya. He probably knows. I think he's been here before. Oh yeah, he knows. Ain't nobody got time to do that 7 times. Let's go. Man, we're gonna run out of hemlock. Nice truck. Why do people stand right there? What? Can't use that. Okay, what does turf screen need?
6 pine, please. 6 pine.
Don't act like a cool guy and stand on the trailer. Now we can't use that footage. I would have tapped it down nicely for him too. Follow-up on the wall here. So from now on, we're gonna have these giant trucks coming in bringing our decorative river rock, and looks like it worked out well. got such a nice truck. I don't want him to have to get his tires all nasty and dirty, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. And let it fly. So that's cool. There's just a big belt on these things. Don't even have to lift. Amazing truck. These guys do it right.
Half 50-50. Half 50-50 on the Maverick.
Alright, better get back to work. I wasn't really going to film much because I'm kind of tired, but we got a little bit of a rush here. We got a truck dropping off. We'll see what we make of this. Alright, if Kent Graham can meet me at the front, he's one hemlock, right?
I believe you're getting red. Let me just double check. Hemlock, you're right. 1 yard, 1 hemlock.
He did tell me he was getting hemlock.
Super nice guys. Known them for years. Yeah, he's looking at the camera. I'm watching you.
One screening towards the front of the trailer, 1 3/4 TV towards the back. They're going to tarp in between. 1 screening toward the front, 1 3/4 TV toward the back.
Screenings toward the front, 1 3/4 TV towards the back. They're gonna tarp in between. All right. Screenings towards the front. TV towards the back. Always love the safety shoes. The slip-on safety shoes. Bad. Alright, I think we're still getting some other products in. Maybe not. Oh yeah, we're getting grow turf in. So we got black in this morning. We got some rustic red pine in as well. I've been trying to clean out the skids and sort these all out. Trying to clean up this area. Slowly getting better. If it stops raining for a day, we could dry it up out here. All in all, so far so good. Alright, thought this looked interesting, so should film it. It's actually the second time I've loaded a truck like this year, and before that I'd never once loaded one. Box on the ground like that. It's pretty neat how this all works. guess they didn't recognize me. Oh well. Royal is 350/50.
10-4, 350/50.
Soil's not too bad after all that rain. Thankfully it was pretty dry when we brought it in. The deliveries have been going pretty smooth today. It's really tough when they come in all at the same time, which has happened many times. So, I've been lucky that way. Still can't wait till everything gets a lot drier. That'll be nice. Like a whole week's worth of dryness would be perfect. All right.